your daily dose of fun.
Your daily dose of fun. Big and Brad, PodCat English, PodCat English.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to PodCat English, the show that makes learning English feel like hanging out with friends. I'm Tekir.
And I'm Luna, and today we are talking about something that makes a lot of people nervous.
More nervous than a job interview. More nervous than public speaking.
Small talk.
That's right. Those short, casual conversations with people you barely know. The elevator, the waiting room, the coffee line.
And here's the thing, small talk isn't small at all. It opens doors, it builds connections, it makes people remember you.
And today, we're giving you the exact phrases that make it easy, natural, even fun.
Whether you're a beginner or already at a higher level, there's something here for everyone.
Let's get into it. Luna, why is small talk so hard for English learners? Like, it's supposed to be the easy version of talking.
Right? But actually, small talk is harder than formal conversation for many learners. And there's a reason.
Hit me.
In formal situations, a job interview, a presentation, you can prepare. You know what's coming. But small talk is spontaneous, unpredictable. Someone just starts talking to you and your brain freezes.
Exactly. Someone says, "Hey, crazy weather today, right?" And I'm standing there thinking, wait, is that a question? Do I agree? What is the weather doing today?
And by the time you figure it out, the moment is gone.
Gone. Elevator doors closed. Friendship lost forever.
So here's what we need to understand about small talk. It's not really about the topic. Nobody actually cares that much about the weather.
Wait, really?
Really? Small talk is a social signal. It says, I see you, I'm friendly, I'm approachable. The words matter less than the warmth behind them.
Okay, that actually changes everything. So I don't need the perfect sentence, I just need to show up and be warm.
Exactly. And we'll give you the sentences too, so you have both.
Here's the other thing I've noticed. In English, small talk has a rhythm. Someone throws a line.
You catch it and throw one back.
Like a game of catch, not a speech, not a lecture, just back and forth.
And once you know a few of those lines, you can play the game anywhere. Okay, let's build your small talk toolkit. We'll go from openers to keeping it going to wrapping it up gracefully.
Starting strong. Openness. These are phrases you can use to start a conversation with almost anyone.
Nice weather today, isn't it? Classic. Works everywhere.
Have you been waiting long? Perfect for queues, waiting rooms, anywhere you're both stuck.
Is this your first time here? Great for events, classes, new places.
I love your bag, jacket, shoes. Where did you get it? Works like a charm. People love talking about their stuff.
Now, keeping the conversation going. This is where most people get stuck. The secret? Ask follow-up questions and share a little about yourself.
So instead of just yes or no, you add something, like this.
Someone says, "Are you from around here?" Don't just say no. Say, "No, actually, I'm from place. I moved here about a year ago. Do you know the area well?"
See what she did there? Answered, added context, threw it back. Catch and throw.
More phrases for keeping it going. "Oh, really? How long have you been doing that?" "That's interesting. Tell me more." "I know exactly what you mean." "Same here, actually."
That last one is gold. Same here instantly creates a connection.
And finally, ending the conversation politely, because walking away smoothly is also a skill.
It was really nice talking to you. I'll let you get back to it. Hope to see you around. Enjoy the rest of your day.
All warm, all clean, no awkwardness.
Okay, role play time. We're going to show you two versions of the same situation. The disaster version and the smooth version.
Scenario: 2 people waiting for coffee at a cafe.
Version 1, the disaster.
Busy morning, right?
Yes,
Do you come here often?
sometimes.
The coffee here is amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, painful. That poor stranger basically interviewed a wall.
That was me for the first 2 years of speaking English. Just yes, no, yes.
Version 2, the smooth version, same situation. Busy morning, right?
Oh, absolutely. I think half the city had the same idea as me today.
Do you come here often?
A few times a week. Honestly, their oat milk latte is the only reason I get out of bed on Mondays. How about you?
Same. I found this place last month and now I'm basically a regular.
See the difference? Same situation, same person, just a few extra words and suddenly there's a real moment happening.
You added personality. You asked back. You made it a conversation, not an interrogation.
And notice, you don't need to be funny or clever or impressive, you just need to be present and a little open.
That's all small talk really asks of you.
Phone and time. Great questions this week. Luna, first one.
This is from @May from China. I understand small talk in English, but I never know how to respond fast enough. By the time I think of something, the moment is gone.
May, this is the most common feeling. You are not alone.
May, here's the truth. Native speakers have these phrases on autopilot. They don't think. They've said them 1,000 times. So your job isn't to think faster. It's to practice until your phrases become automatic too.
Pick 3 phrases from today's episode. Just 3. Practice them out loud every day this week, in the shower, on the walk, wherever, and watch how fast they become natural.
Next question from @Olga from Russia. Is small talk the same in every English-speaking country, or does it change?
Oh, great question, Olga.
It does vary a little. In the UK, weather talk is genuinely a national sport. In the US, people tend to be more openly enthusiastic. Lots of, oh wow, that's amazing. In Australia, humor and informality come very quickly.
But the core is the same everywhere. Be warm, show interest, keep it light. You'll adapt fast once you're in it.
Last one, from @Fatima from Morocco. What if I run out of things to say?
Fatima, running out of things to say is not a failure, it's just the end of that round.
Simply say, it was really nice chatting with you, and smile. Clean exit, no awkwardness. Not every conversation needs to be long. A 30-second warm exchange is a win.
Community shout-out time. Last episode's challenge was order something in English, and you went for it. Let's celebrate!
Number 1. Carlos from Mexico. Carlos walked into a coffee shop, ordered a large oat milk latte with an extra shot, and when the barista spelled his name wrong on the cup, he politely corrected her, in English, perfectly. Carlos, that is next-level confidence.
Number 2. Priya from India. Priya ordered a full meal at a restaurant, asked about allergens, and even sent back the wrong drink, calmly, politely, exactly like we practiced. Priya, you are an inspiration.
Number 3. Ahmed from Egypt. Ahmed ordered at a drive-thru, which is honestly one of the hardest things because it's fast, it's loud, and there's a line behind you. He nailed it. Ahmed, we bow to you.
Number 4. Sophia from Brazil. Sophia went to a food truck, had a full conversation with the vendor about the menu, discovered a new dish she'd never tried, and said it was delicious. Sophia, that is the spirit.
And number 5. Jin from Korea. Jin ordered a birthday cake at a bakery, customized it, confirmed the pickup time, and everything was perfect on the day. Jin, you made someone's birthday possible with your English. That's beautiful.
Everyone, these people did the thing. They showed up, they spoke. Give them a hand.
This week's challenge fits perfectly with today's episode.
We want you to start one small talk conversation in English this week.
It can be with a neighbor, a cashier, someone in line, a colleague, anyone.
Use one of the phrases from today and just see what happens.
Then tell us in the comments, who did you talk to, what did you say, and how did it feel?
Best 5 stories get featured in episode 5 with your name on screen. Let's go.
And that's a wrap on episode 4 of PodCat English. You now have a full small talk toolkit ready to use anywhere, anytime.
Remember, small talk isn't about being witty or impressive. It's about being warm. And warm is something you already are.
If this episode helped you, hit the like button. It means the world to us and helps more learners find the show.
Subscribe if you haven't already. New episodes every Monday and Thursday. And drop a comment. We read every single one.
Until next time, remember,
Listen,
laugh.
learn.
I'm Luna.
And I'm Tekir.
See you next time. Bye.